The demolition and construction industries have long stood as pillars of progress, development, and modernisation. From towering skyscrapers to vital infrastructure projects, the work done by construction professionals is essential to the functioning and growth of society. Yet, despite the industry's critical role, a long standing crisis has cast a shadow over its future. And that crisis is the workforce shortage. For years now, the construction industry has struggled to attract enough young people to its ranks. Whether it's the physical demands, the perception of instability, or a cultural shift towards white collar careers, young talent is increasingly shying away from careers in construction and demolition. This generational gap leaves the industry with an aging workforce. Veterans who have dedicated decades to their craft but who now find themselves potentially delaying retirement due to the demand for experienced workers. As more construction veterans remain on the job well past the traditional retirement age, the industry faces a number of key challenges. What impact will delayed retirement have on the industry? How must demolition and construction equipment evolve to accommodate older workers? And perhaps most critically, how will companies account for the physical toll that age inevitably takes, ensuring safety and productivity remains at the forefront? The construction workforce is getting older. As younger generations gravitate towards less physically demanding professions, the pool of available workers with hands-on experience continues to shrink. According to recent data from the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median age of construction workers over there is steadily rising, with many industry veterans now working into their 50s, 60s, and even beyond. While these veterans bring invaluable knowledge and skills to the job site, the reality is that many are delaying retirement, not out of choice, but necessity. Contractors, construction firms, and demolition crews rely on experienced workers to fill labour gaps left by the lack of younger recruits. This situation presents a unique dilemma. On the one hand, the industry can benefit from the wisdom, experience, and problem-solving abilities that seasoned workers possess. On the other, physical labour is unforgiving to ageing bodies, and the risks of injury, illness, and burnout increase significantly as workers age. The construction and demolition industries have always been dependent on heavy machinery, but the design of these machines may need to evolve to better suit an ageing workforce. Delayed retirement also means that companies must consider how to make equipment more accessible, intuitive, and comfortable for older workers who may not be as agile as perhaps they once were. A key area where equipment will need to adapt is its ease of use. Machines like excavators, dozers, loaders often require operators to climb in and out multiple times a day. For older workers, especially those dealing with age-related conditions such as arthritis or reduced mobility, this can be a significant challenge. As workers age, they may experience difficulty with flexibility, balance, and overall strength, making everyday tasks that bit more strenuous. One solution is for equipment manufacturers to focus on designing machines that minimize physical strain. This could be lower entry points, wider steps, or ergonomic handrails to help operators enter and exit more easily. Hydraulic or electric assist systems could also be implemented to reduce the need for physical exertion when accessing high platforms or machinery cabs. By focusing on reducing the physical demands placed on older workers, manufacturers could help mitigate the impact of delayed retirement on worker health. Another area for consideration is the integration of technology in construction equipment. Over the past decade or more, machines have become increasingly sophisticated, featuring advanced GPS systems, automated controls, and telematics. While younger workers may embrace these technological advancements, older workers who may not have grown up with such systems could find them intimidating or difficult to learn. For industry veterans, the priority is often getting the job done quickly and efficiently, rather than navigating complex software. If the industry increasingly relies on aging workers, construction equipment might need to feature less technology or offer simplified, intuitive interfaces. Alternatively, companies could invest in comprehensive training programs tailored to older workers, ensuring they feel comfortable and confident using new technology. Construction equipment workers spend long hours in equipment cabs, and for older workers, discomfort can lead quickly to fatigue and possibly even injury. Age-specific issues such as back pain, joint discomfort, and reduced dexterity make it essential for equipment manufacturers to prioritize ergonomics in their designs. Machines with adjustable seats, better lumbar support, and customizable control layouts could go a long way in accommodating an older workforce. Improved air conditioning systems, soundproofing, and vibration dampening technology would also help reduce the physical toll of long shifts, allowing workers to remain productive and in the seat without sacrificing their health. One of the most pressing issues in delaying retirement, however, is the impact of age related health problems. While younger workers may recover quickly from a minor injury or the physical strain of the job, older workers are more susceptible to long term injuries and chronic conditions. Construction and demolition work is inherently dangerous, with heavy lifting, climbing, and exposure to hazards being daily realities. As workers age, they are more likely to experience conditions such as arthritis, cardiovascular issues, or respiratory problems, all of which can affect their ability to perform physically demanding tasks. The risk of injury increases significantly with age. Older workers may have slower reaction times, decreased strength, less stamina, making them more vulnerable to accidents. A minor slip or a fall that a younger worker could easily recover from might have far more serious consequences for an older employee. This poses a challenge for construction firms, which must balance the need for experienced workers with the potential liability of age-related injuries. To address these concerns, companies need to prioritise safety and adopt work processes to reduce the risk of injury for older workers. This could involve providing additional safety equipment, offering more frequent breaks, and adjusting job roles to match workers' physical capabilities. For example, older employees might transition to supervisory or mentorship roles where they can share their experience and expertise without being exposed to the physical risks of on site labour. Another way to support an ageing workforce is through a more proactive health monitoring system. Regular checkups, physical assessments, and wellness programs can help identify potential health issues before they become a serious problem. By offering personalised health plans, construction firms can work with older employees to manage chronic conditions and ensure they remain fit for work. In addition, providing access to on-site physical therapy or fitness programs could help mitigate the physical strain of the job, allowing workers to maintain their strength, flexibility, and stamina as they age. By investing in the health of older employees, companies can not only extend their working years, but also reduce their absenteeism and improve overall productivity. As the industry confronts the reality of an aging workforce, there may also be a broader shift in the types of jobs available. Automation and robotics are increasingly playing a role in construction and demolition, and these technologies have the potential to take over many of the physically demanding tasks that are currently performed by humans. For example, demolition robots equipped with advanced sensors and AI can already handle tasks that would be dangerous or exhausting for workers. As these technologies continue to evolve, they could help reduce the physical burden on older workers, allowing them to focus on tasks that require their expertise rather than their physical strength. The shift toward automation could also open up new opportunities for older workers in training and supervisory roles. With their years of experience, industry veterans are well suited to oversee the operation of advanced machinery, train younger workers, and provide guidance on project management. By shifting the focus from manual labour to knowledge-based tasks, companies can continue to benefit from the expertise of older workers without compromising their health or their safety. Delayed retirement in the demolition and construction industries is both a challenge and an opportunity. While the lack of young workers entering the field is concerning, the industry's reliance on older, experienced professionals offers a wealth of experience and knowledge that is invaluable. However, to ensure that this reliance doesn't come at the cost of worker health and safety, the industry must adapt. Construction equipment will need to be more accessible, less complex, and more comfortable for older workers. Job roles may need to evolve to focus on knowledge and supervision rather than physical labour. And most importantly, the industry must invest in the health and well-being of its ageing workforce, recognising that the future of construction needs to be sustainable for the environment and sustainable for the workforce.